Hello and welcome to our video on black garlic. Black garlic is a unique ingredient that has been gaining popularity in recent years, both in the culinary world and for its potential health benefits. In this video, we will take a closer look at black garlic, including what it is, how it's made, its nutritional profile, potential health benefits, and how to use it in cooking. What is black garlic? Black garlic is a type of garlic that has been fermented at a low temperature for several weeks to produce a black, soft and sticky texture with a sweet and slightly tangy taste. The fermentation process that produces black garlic involves exposing whole bulbs of garlic to high humidity and a consistent temperature of around 140 degrees Fahrenheit for several weeks. During this time, the garlic undergoes the Maillard reaction, which results in changes to its flavor, texture, and nutritional profile. How is black garlic made? The process of making black garlic is a bit complex, but it involves exposing whole bulbs of garlic to a consistent temperature and humidity level for several weeks. Typically, the garlic is heated in a fermentation box or a specialized oven for up to 40 days. The exact temperature and humidity levels may vary depending on the method used and the desired result. The garlic is then left to cool and dry, resulting in a black, soft, and slightly sweet product. It is unclear who specifically invented black garlic, as the fermentation process that produces black garlic has been used in various cultures and cuisines for centuries. However, it is believed that black garlic became more widely known and popularized in recent years by chefs in Korea and Japan, where it is used in traditional dishes and as a health food. Today, black garlic is also produced and used in various countries around the world. Nutritional profile of black garlic. Black garlic has a significantly different nutritional profile compared to raw garlic. It is high in antioxidants and contains more allicin, a compound that has been linked to various health benefits, than raw garlic. Additionally, black garlic contains other beneficial compounds such as flavonoids, S-allyl-cysteine, and other sulfur-containing compounds. Black garlic is also a good source of calcium, iron, and other essential minerals. Potential health benefits of black garlic. Antioxidant properties. Black garlic is high in antioxidants, which can help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Potential immune-boosting effects. Some studies suggest that black garlic may help to support immune function and reduce the risk of infections. Improved heart health. Black garlic may have several heart protective effects, including lowering blood pressure, reducing inflammation, and improving cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory effects. Black garlic may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially help to reduce inflammation in the body. Digestive health. Black garlic may help to improve gut health and digestion by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. How to use black garlic in cooking. Black garlic has a unique flavor and can be used in various dishes. It can be mashed into a paste and used as a spread or added to marinades, sauces, and dressings. It can also be used as a garnish on top of soups and stews. Black garlic pairs well with many different types of cuisine, including Asian, Mediterranean, and Mexican. In conclusion, black garlic is a unique ingredient with a sweet and slightly tangy taste that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It is made through a complex fermentation process and has a significantly different nutritional profile compared to raw garlic. Black garlic has been suggested to have potential health benefits, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potential immune-boosting effects, improved heart health, and digestive health benefits. Black garlic can be used in various dishes, adding a unique flavor and nutritional boost to your meals. If you're interested in incorporating black garlic into your diet, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it is safe and appropriate for you. Thank you for watching this video.